How to download and install Upwork application on your desktop or laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install Upwork application on your desktop or laptop. So here's how you do it. First of all, open up your web browser on your computer, and then once you do, go to the search bar and type in download Upwork and search. Now, go ahead and look for the link where it says upwork.com AB downloads, this one over here, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can easily go ahead and select your version for your desktop or laptop. Click the drop down on the left, select your version, and click download. Now the Upwork setup file will be downloaded. Wait for a while until it finishes. Now click on open file to open up the Upwork setup file, and the installation process will begin. Complete the setup and you have successfully installed the Upwork application on your desktops or laptop. So that's how it's super easily done. You can now log into Upwork account and get started using the Upwork app on your desktops or laptops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.